In the previous video, we have discussed about basics and history of AI. In this tutorial, we will talk about types of AI. As you know, a machine or a computer is said to possess artificial intelligence if it can imitate human-like behavior. The degree to which an AI system can replicate human capabilities in terms of intelligence and functionalities are used as the criterion for determining the types of AI. So, there are two ways artificial intelligence is classified: based on stages of intelligence and based on functionality. Let's first discuss on the basis of stages of intelligence. We will talk about classification of AI based on functionality in the next tutorial. Based on intelligence, stages through which AI can evolve is classified into three categories: artificial narrow intelligence or narrow AI or weak AI, artificial general intelligence or general AI or strong AI, artificial superintelligence or conscious AI. Let's discuss each of them one by one. Artificial narrow intelligence is a type of artificial intelligence focused on single dedicated task, whether it is about checking the weather outside, being able to play chess, or predicting performance of sales of an organization in coming years. It has a narrow range of abilities. These machines can do nothing more than what they are programmed for, and thus have a very limited or narrow range of competency. It is also known as weak AI. The AI that exists in our world today is narrow AI. ANI systems utilize information from a specific data set. That's why these systems don't perform outside of a single task that they are designed to perform. AI systems built till date fall under the category of narrow AI. Google Assistant, self-driving cars, live face recognition systems, or Siri are examples of narrow AI. You may think that these are not weak but very powerful and efficient tools because of their ability to interact with people. But the reason that we call them weak AI is because these machines are nowhere close to having human-like intelligence. Unlike general or strong AI, which I'll discuss further, narrow AI is not conscious, sentient, or driven by emotion the way we humans are. They lack self-awareness, consciousness, and genuine intelligence to match human intelligence. You can say they can't think for themselves. For example, Siri do not respond to our queries with self-awareness or consciousness. Instead, what Siri is able to do is process the human language, enter it into a search engine, say Google, and return to us with the results. When we ask Siri or Google Assistant abstract questions about things like meaning of life or how to approach a personal problem, we get vague response that often don't make sense. Or we get links to existing articles from the internet that address such questions. On the other hand, when we ask Siri, what is the weather outside, we can get accurate response. That's because answering basic questions like the weather outside is within the range of intelligence that Siri is designed to operate. The AI that exists around us don't have the flexibility to think like we do. Even something as complex as self-driving car is considered as weak AI, except that a self-driving car is made up of multiple narrow AI systems. While artificial general intelligence or general AI or strong AI is that stage of AI wherein machines will possess the ability to think and make decisions just like humans. It is also known as true AI because it is the next step towards more comprehensive machine intelligence. Rather than focusing on a single task, the goal is to teach the machine to understand and reason on a wide level just like a human. AGI is expected to have critical thinking skills like to be able to reason, solve problems, make judgments, plan, learn and integrate prior knowledge in decision making, and be innovative, imaginative and creative. Some tests of AGI have emerged as the primary definitions of the concept and the marker for judging whether a system possesses general intelligence or not. Turing test. We have already discussed in detail about this test in previous tutorial. It is a program that tries to fool the questioner and make him believe that the respondent is a human, not a computer. Coffee test. A robot that can go into a house, locate the kitchen and then the coffee machine, recognize the ingredients and equipment needed to make a coffee, and finally understand how the machine works and how to use it. University student test. This test, as suggested by name itself, advocates of an AI robot which can be enrolled in a college and can get a degree using the same resources as other students enrolled for the same degree. Employment test. To pass this test, the AI program should be able to perform jobs that are performed by humans. An AGI can be evaluated based on measurement of accomplishment of the tasks that are performed by the AI machine. Flat pack furniture test. The flat pack furniture test advocates of an AI machine that assembles a flat pack furniture just by looking at a diagram. The task includes the AI machine identifying the parts required for assembly of the furniture and completing a challenge. Currently, we don't have any machine which exhibits general AI or strong AI. Artificial superintelligence or conscious AI or ASI is the stage of artificial intelligence when the capability of computers will surpass human beings. Artificial superintelligence will surpass human intelligence in all aspects, from creativity to general wisdom to problem solving. Machines will be capable of exhibiting intelligence that we have not seen in the brightest of us. This is the type of AI that many people are worried about, and people like Elon Musk think will lead to the extinction of the human race. Thanks for watching the tutorial. Hope it will increase your understanding about theoretical aspects of AI. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know in comment section. In the next video, we'll talk about the types of AI based on functionalities. Please like and subscribe our channel for latest updates.